sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, my bag is full. Red for the sweater, blue for the hat, green for the gloves of the jumping cat, yellow for the sunshine, warm and bright, purple for dreams in the starry night. Baa Baa, playful sheep, running down the lane, tapping little hooves in the morning rain. Oranges for autumn leaves that fall, pink the more the flowers by the garden wall, brown for the teddies so soft and sweet, black for the shoes on my tiny feet. Baa Baa Baa, helpful sheep, what more do you share? Kindness and joy and a heart that cares. Wool for the baby, soft as a hug, warm little cap and a snuggly rug. Giving is a magic I've learned today. Smiles are the gifts we give away. Baa Baa Baa, happy sheep under the moonlight, humming lullabies in the silent night. Colors and laughter fill up the air. Love is a rainbow we all can wear. Close your eyes now, dreams will sleep. Good night, my colorful sheep.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.